Assalamu alaikum, this is Hassan Khan SK from the Daily Shine Batch SK, and today is day 9 of 100 Day Challenge. And let's start with the trending topic or the hot topic for today. As you people are well aware that the government of Pakistan and the government of UK has introduced the eVisa, and this eVisa is for the student, for the workers, and as well as for the skilled people who just going from Pakistan to UK. They only have to buy an online ticket, they have to register online instead of having the physical passport, as according to the report of the British High Commissioner Jane Marriott, CMG OVE said. What he said? Let's see over here. He said that these changes to the UK visa system will make it much simpler for students and workers to prove their identity and visa status. It means that the applicant can hold into their passport, saving their time. The main reason is that they have to save their time. So as you people are well aware that this era is of digital era, and everyone just want to save time, and as if everyone just working on digitally, so the UK government also got a point that why shouldn't we start this digital platform instead of having the passport with the sticker on it. So let's make a change in our visa status process. So they introduced an e-visa especially with the Pakistani people, and as not only the Pakistani people but also for the skilled workers, all the people or those people who are working there. They want to work for more than 6 to 11 months, so they have to just only buy an online ticket, or you can just say that the e-ticket, and they have to move from there, from Pakistan to the UK. So this is all from this trending news or from the Daily Shine updates. So thank you very much. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.